To a pot on medium heat, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of quality oil, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 scallion, saute for 1 to 2 minutes. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, followed by a 1/2 cup of 100% pineapple juice, then 1/4 cup of almond coconut milk. Bring to a simmer. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of my homemade peanut butter. The link for my peanut butter recipe will be found in the description box. We're going to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the sauce thickens up. And there you have it, sweet and spicy peanut sauce. See you guys next time.